Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a square border in Photoshop. Apply method on, create a new layer, right click, rectangle tool, mode, shape, fill color. OK, then square, press enter, then draw a square and added a stroke or click FX stroke, increase the stroke size, change the stroke color, click OK, and method 2, again create a new layer, only stroke, press enter, square, press again enter, draw a square, increase the stroke or border size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.